The car has broken down at Saleufi. Ua fa'ale tonu le ta'avale I Saleufi. Ua fa'ale tonu le ta'avale I Saleufi. Ua fa'ale tonu le ta'avale I Saleufi. I had an accident. Ua lavea le ta'avale. Ua lavea le ta'avale. Ua lavea le ta'avale. Can we get there by bike? E mawhai o na o I ai se wila afi. E mawhai o na o I ai se wila afi. E mawhai o na o I ai se wila afi. I'd like to hire a bicycle. O te manao e lisi se wila afi. O te manao e lisi se wila afi. O te manao e lisi se wila afi.
So, if you have been enjoying all of these Samoan phrases, did you know that you can get them exclusive to Measina Cultural Connection? So this particular Samoan language series is called Samoan for Travelers, and Samoan for Travelers is exactly what it says. Samoan phrases that travelers can use when they're traveling to Samoa, or if you're trying to impress your family and friends. So Samoan for Travelers is exclusive to Measina Treasures of Samoa, but more importantly, you can only access it through Measina Cultural Connections. So Measina Cultural Connection is an online video library resource that you can use every day to increase your knowledge of Samoan language, Samoan culture. So there's some dancing, there's arts and crafts, there is even cooking and Siva afi. And so if you're interested in connecting more with your Samoan roots, or just increasing your knowledge of Samoan language and culture, Measina Cultural Connections is a monthly subscription that you can try for 7 days. The link is in the bio, is in the description. The link is in the description, and you can access it online from anywhere in the world. Start your Samoan journey today.
Where can I buy a second-hand bike? O whea e mawhai o na whaatau ai se wila afi sa whao ngā mua mua. O whea e mawhai o na whaatau ai se wila afi sa whao ngā mua mua. O whea e mawhai o na whaatau ai se wila afi sa whao ngā mua mua. How much is it per day? E whia le tau I le aso. E whia le tau I le aso. E whia le tau I le aso. How much is it per hour? E whia le tau I le itu la. E whia le tau I le itu la. E whia le tau I le itu la. I have a puncture. Ua pala upau. Ua pala upau. Ua pala upau. I'd like to have my bicycle repaired. O te manao e toe whaalelei la uwila vilivae. O te manao e toe whaalelei la uwila vilivae. O te manao e toe whaalelei la uwila vilivae. Are there cycling paths? E yaini au wala mō wila. E yaini au wala mō wila. E yaini au wala mō wila.